can be as predictable as anyone could dare to. I was so happy to be chosen as unofficial candidate for Mayflower Santa Cruzan 2011. The Lord surprised my family and me, giving us great joy for the title, Reina Elena 2011. All this happened to a girl who just wanted to experience, make herself proud, and in return, she went on the most incredible journey of her life. It's so hard to believe that a year has gone so fast. I can still remember, as if it were yesterday, the crown being placed on my head that beautiful evening. My family, friends, as well as my overjoyed emotion that night as we celebrated together. And now, I couldn't be more happy and excited to return to the very same stage where my journey began. Today marks the end of a memorable chapter of my life as Reina Elena 2011. It has truly been an unforgettable year, filled with adventure, new experiences, surprises, challenges, growth, tears, and smiles. It was a year filled with energy and loving coming from everybody. To the people I have met, thank you for receiving me with open arms. Nothing means to done the memories of the amazing people I have met. This year has also been a time for inner growth and learning, a time of giving and making difference. Through a very special twist of fate, I was able to seize unique moments in Mayflower Fest and embark on a journey to better myself and inspire my peers. As daunting as it was to look up as a role model for both strangers and friends, I relished the opportunity to give you my very best and to show that in life we should always do our best and never give up. A lot of people made me who am I today, and to my journey as Reina Elena 2011 possible. But one thing I learned is that the generous spirits of every Tagsinganons made my win so meaningful and memorable. To my family, Mr. Fausto Subang and Mrs. Elizabeth Gapuz Subang, my parents, as well as my brothers, Jam Jam and Bibi John. Thank you for always being there for me. Everything I ever achieve will be thanks to the values and strengths I have inherited from you. So I'm officially former now. It was truly a reign full of ladders, memories, and once-in-a-lifetime experience. To the participants of Mayflower Fest, I wish you all the time of your lives, and let us give inspiration to those who will begin to believe in what is possible. To the Reina Elena 2012, whose destiny will be to wear this beautiful crown. Enjoy your time and treasure the memories. They will be the living picture in back of your mind each time you recall them. I wish you all the best and hope you will have as much fun as I did. And last but not the least, I would like to thank God for the blessing He has given me throughout my life. Thank you for embracing and protecting me and for loving us all so much. We sometimes forget that it is through His guidance that our path is set. We should always remember that He is holding our hand with each step we take. Let us try to uplift a wonderful and incredible achievements and look forward to what tomorrow will bring. God bless us all.